Some days are good days, but other days are first days in the C8 Corvette. Yes. I can't even believe this has actually happened. Day one of C8 Corvette ownership. We're not off to the best start. Somebody's already vandalized the car. They ripped off the 60-day temporary tag. They broke the license plate frame. I'm assuming they're gonna put it on their own car illegally. We're gonna head back to Bachman Chevrolet. I think they can reissue me a new one. I hope, maybe. Wait for it, wait for it. Yes. I'm mildly obsessed with the remote startup, but I wish a manufacturer had a button that could rev the engine from the outside, maybe someday. So redline is like 3,500, 4,000 RPMs. At 500 miles, we'll have full range. You can actually rev it up to 6,000, so I'm not exactly sure what's going on. We are headed to Miami, Florida, which is like 15 hours that way. And hit it, go. Oh, whoa, okay, we gotta calm down. You can't get rid of us. What's going on? Somebody stole the temp tags.
That's crazy.
Isn't that insane? Whatever.
So I'm reporting it stolen.
Oh, perfect. Okay, cool, good.
So you don't have to be here, but the police are on their way, and we're reporting it stolen. So if somebody uses it illegally,
I'm sure that's what they're gonna do. They broke the license plate frame too.
Did they really?
Yeah. Luckily, there's no like other issues on the car, so that's good. That's like the biggest concern. So we're good. 2 minutes later, we already got the new temp tag. We're really putting you to work the last couple of days.
It's all right. It's fun.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Miami, Florida, 15 hours and 42 minutes, 1,089 miles. Massive shout out to Chevy, dude. If you guys are looking for a new C8 Corvette, check them out. Link in the description below. We got 10 miles on the C8 Corvette and reverse. Our fuel economy is 1.9 miles to the gallon. Full send, boys. Go, 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 go. Okay, so we can get up to like almost 7,000 RPMs. I'm not sure what this whole limp mode is about because that was 7,000. I hope I didn't break it. I thought the rev limiter was like a true rev limiter, but I've determined it's just a suggestion. Check this out. We can go. Okay, no we can't. No, okay, well, no we can. We're good. I was feeling all special. We got a new C8 Corvette Roadster right there. Winning Kentucky. You gotta get your fried chicken. Out of nowhere, we just found the new C8 convertible, and naturally, it's at Kentucky Fried Chicken here in Kentucky. So this car is actually a manufacturer car because the Roadster hasn't even been unveiled. So we got one of the first customer coupes next to one of the first manufacturer Roadsters right here. We're not actually gonna go to Kentucky Fried Chicken because there's a Raising Cane's like, I don't know, 10 miles that way. Well, yeah, anyways. Maybe the coolest feature on the C8 Corvette is the rear view mirror. Wait for it. Dun, dun, dun. That is so sick. Imagine supercar drives when there's 100 supercars and we got high definition rear view camera. That thing is sick. That's what we look like on the road right now. Are you kidding me? Yo, what? We got 10 brand new Corvettes headed to 10 lucky owners. Are you kidding me? That's sick. We're here at the Corvette factory in Bowling Green, Kentucky. Check out this highlighter yellow. I wanted that color, but it was gonna be delayed by 10 weeks. Look at that! Unfortunately, this highlighter yellow color as well as the Rapid Blue is gonna be delayed by 10 weeks. So I wouldn't have gotten my car until like the middle of May, whereas instead we have it now. We're gonna wrap it probably purple anyways, but this color is sick. It looks so good. I'm usually not a fan of yellow, but this kind of has like a greenish hue that looks really, really cool. So this is the Corvette factory in Bowling Green, and they got C8 Corvettes everywhere. I don't know. Maybe I should have held out for Rapid Blue. That looks amazing. That is such a good looking color. Welcome to Nashville, Tennessee. We got the home of the Tennessee Titans right there. I'm not really sure what we're gonna do, but pretty sick, pretty sick. Whoa, that is so sick. Why is that so cool? It just is. So we are headed to Chattanooga, Tennessee, boys. Chattanooga. I don't know why I just like saying Chattanooga. Sorry, Tessa. Tessa's with me, by the way. Say Chattanooga. Chattanooga.
You say it with like an accent.
Well, yeah, because we're in Tennessee.
Say it.
Chattanooga, Tennessee.
Let's hear more of this accent.
Not safe. This is not safe. Kind of sort of an unexpected sequence in the vlog. We're good. Whoa, yes. Okay, chill. Oh. Yo, wow, we're just out here chasing views on views. So I took this thing 14.9 miles an hour with one hand. Never ever try that. This is sick. That's cool. That's so sick. Corvette, dun 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 dun. Okay, so we are headed to Chattanooga. We're headed to Texas Roadhouse in Chattanooga. We have 200 miles now on the C8 Corvette. We got 300 more to go until we're out of limp mode. Nashville, go Titans, you're a beautiful city, but we are heading off to Texas Roadhouse in Chattanooga, Tennessee, girl. You ready? Chattanooga? Yeah, we're ready. traction control off, we got the front end lift, but then we got the front facing cameras. Look at this, we got so many cameras on this car, all different directions. This is so sick. I don't know what this button does. Oh, that removes the lines. Kind of sort of an unexpected sequence in the vlog, but we're now here in Tijuana, Mexico. So we're already in track mode. We got the performance timer there on the right, 0 to 60 to accelerate. Are you ready?
Full send.
Full send, no doubt, little hesitation?
Never
Probably
doubt full send.
Probably there's probably a smidge of doubt though with me, right? There's always doubt. No?
No comment.
Buckle up, girl. You ready? Hit it. Whoa! Oh my gosh! 60! Jeez, we totally lost the back end! There's a cloud of dust behind us, look at that! Oh my! Probably a little doubt next time. Definitely some doubt. Quite possibly the most beautiful sight in the state of Tennessee. Dun, 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 dun. My birthday was like a month ago and I was at Texas Roadhouse and the person behind me paid for my meal. Well, we got a super fan over there. It's his mom's birthday, so we're gonna pay for his meal, but we gotta bounce. So yeah, here we go. Hunter, thanks for watching the channel. Happy birthday. You want me to sign? You want me to sign that? Let's do it. This is the coolest thing I've ever signed in my entire life. I love Texas Roadhouse. Boys, we've made it. We've arrived here to Welcome to Chattanooga, Tennessee. I think I strained my neck right there. Also good news, nobody stole my temp tag, thankfully, because yeah. Welcome to the beautiful state of Georgia. We are 441 miles into the journey and look, a Mopar truck. Maybe my elephant is in that trailer. We're still waiting on word for it. Yeah, obviously I've heard nothing. We have 464 miles on the Corvette, 36 more to go, but welcome here to beautiful Atlanta, Georgia. So the C8 Corvette has cooled seats. It is the single greatest invention known to man. It is so incredibly refreshing. Also got a C7 Corvette right there. Very, very nice. She's definitely a used car now, but we only have 24 miles until 500. I see a spin class soon, pretty soon. For it, 499. Come on, red. Oh, there we go. Wait, red line didn't go up. Why did red line go up? Red line is still 4,500 RPMs, boys. This is not good. I think we might have got a limit. Oh, right, there it is. There it is. Red line is 6,500, baby. Downshift, 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 downshift. Full send, boys. What? I think that's more, honestly, I felt the same. I've never actually used launch control per se. Traction control is off, stability control is off. We're gonna pull up on both paddles. I'm gonna rev it up, and then we're gonna let off on the pedals on 3, 2, 1, go. You ready, Tessa? All right, so paddles, go. And then 3, 2, 1, go. Whoa! Okay, so that was terrible. That was not good. That was bad. But that was still 3.6 to 0 to 60. We're gonna do a take 2. 2, 1, go. 3, 2, 1, go. Whoa! That was not good. That was worse than the last time. I'm sorry, guys. I am sorry. That was 4.2. Okay, so I'm gonna quit YouTube right now. I gotta sincerely apologize to all the Chevrolet executives watching this video. This is why they didn't invite me to the press event, because I'm an absolute idiot. I'm garbage, I'm an amateur, and I don't know what I'm doing. I have searched the owner's manual, tried to figure out how to launch this car properly, and I can't find it, and we got no service because we're in Mexico. So yeah, there's a bunch of YouTube channels linked below that are way better than mine. Go check them out if you get the opportunity, and also smash the like button on this video because every single thing you've seen up to this point is wrong, and I apologize for that, but we finally figured out launch control. So we're in track mode. We gotta push this button twice. That's gonna turn traction control off, but PTM wet mode, so ESC is still on. We're gonna turn this dial until we hit PTM race. We're gonna select that, ESC is off, traction control is off, the performance timer is ready. We're gonna mash the brake, mash the throttle, 35 and off, go. There it is, 3.4 seconds to 60 miles an hour. Oh, it's a beautiful day in Mexico, am I right? Out of nowhere, we got the, no, come back! No! That was the worst clip ever. We have 1,197 miles on the Corvette, and welcome to Miami. What a crazy past 2 days, but the C8 Corvette, I would reckon it is better than advertised. Like this car for the money, you cannot beat this car. Base MSRP is right around $60,000. This one is, I think, $85,000. The Supra's a cool car, but the Corvette, like Chevrolet, has knocked it out of the park. We got a bunch of fun stuff to do. We're here in Miami, Florida. Why that is, more to come. As always, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, like squad, be sure to smash that like button. But just like that, this vlog is over.